hello to my family. They are making me travel. Hi guys.
Ladies and gentlemen.
You told me that. The people that don't want to say that. So I don't go greet.
Okay, alright. So hi guys. Today we're making. What are we making?
We are making Dzenkple from Volta region.
Why are you waving?
Let me wave my fans.
Alright, so we're making Dzenkple. I think the Ashantis call it
Apapransa.
Right. What I know the Ashantis do is with pound nut soup, right? With
Just a very good.
Corn flour.
Corn flour, yeah.
Yeah, corn flour, Tom Brown.
Yes, Tom Brown.
But my mom is telling me that she combines quite a number of things together to make the flour, right? So we have wheat, we have rice, we have beans,
Yeah.
and then there's roast. So all these things are roasted. There's granules, there's corn, there's wheat, there's rice, there's beans, and that all comes together to make this mixture. So
At the end of the day, you use that.
yes, so just like she's saying, after that you can use this to even make
As
the
a porridge.
Yeah.
It's very rich. For your children, yourself, anyone.
Right, so we're going to jump right into it and then make it.
So, come back. You are saving it for Bobby Tadi.
Aha! Where's that Bobby?
See.
Okay, so I will be in English word.
I'm confused. I'm joking.
Yeah, I think it's actually so we're making abobitati, that's anchovy.
We add a little
And then some
herrings.
to make. So the Jean-Claude is going to go with the sauce, the stew, which is the anchovy or abobitati, and then
Let's have fans know that we are not using. I don't mind. They're
okay,
using
so
special
I
stew.
mean we'll show them in the process.
Okay.
The introduction, they're making it too long.
Sorry, my fans.
To start the stew, first we go in with our oil. Then you go in with your tin tomatoes or tomato puree. Then you go in with some ginger, blended ginger, and some blended garlic. So right now we're starting the stew base for the abobitati. Alright, so after you fry this for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, you go in with your blended tomatoes, peppers, and onions. So it's practically just like doing a regular tomato stew, the way you start it. Tomatoes, spices, then your blended tomatoes. So we'll let this also simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the tomatoes is nicely cooked, we'll season that up with some salt. We'll go in with our proteins, and yeah, practically done. So while the stew simmers, we're going to put in the herrings. These are dried herrings, and because they are a bit hard, we want to send that into the stew quickly or earlier so that it softens up. So we'll put the herrings in the stew now. We stir that nicely and then leave it to do its work. So now we season with our salt and we'll let it simmer. We're going to cover it up and let it simmer. Okay, so our stew has been simmering for some time now, about 10 minutes. We're going to take it, we're going to open it up and then put the anchovies in there. So this is not your typical local ababitazi. This has a twist to it. So says my mother. Okay, so stew is almost done. It's looking pretty. We're gonna go in with our sliced onions and pepper. So we're cracking in some fresh paposhito scotch bonnets to spice it up and then flavor it up as well. Okay, so there you have it. It's quick and easy abobitazi. We'll just let it finish off, then we can jump right into the Dzenkple. All right, so our stew is ready. What are we doing next? Alright, to start off, we're going to use some vegetable oil. Yeah. So we're going with some clean tomatoes.
The way you do your mama's stew.
So when you go with your tomatoes, you go with your blended garlic and your blended ginger, both a tablespoon. Stir it. Let it fry for a while. So now we're adding our tomatoes. You might take some out. But yeah, we'll just let it cook for a bit and then we'll start jumping in. Okay, so our stew has been simmering for a while now. We're going to go in with some powdered herrings. That's about a quarter cup of herrings. Powdered ground herrings, sorry. Stir that. Then we'll go in with some powdered shrimp as well. Alright, so we've added our powdered shrimp and then herrings. Now we're going to go in with some water. It's about 2 cups of water. So the base has been cooking for a bit now. We're going to check it and then start the whole Dzenkple situation. Alright, so we're going to start driving the akplen. So this is our flour. So you have to be really fast so you don't get lumps in there. So you can see our Dzenkple is looking really good. The old lady there. Gonna take it from here. Just finish it off. And I will dish it out. Quick and easy. Alright, so we're gonna dish that plan out. Here we go. And nicely in the bowl. This is not a traditional shaping bowl. Nice. So our Dzenkple is ready. We're going to dish the bobitazi on the side. So there you have it. So quick and easy Dzenkple, also known as apapransa. This is not your regular apapransa. So you can hear in the background my mommy is resting. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.